Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. Happy New Year to all of you. So we start this year with a really amazing build behind me, the 3970X 333 plus 128 GB of RAM plus the RTX Titan. Primarily this will be used for VFX and a little bit of gaming. Stay tuned till the end of the video for some benchmarks on gaming as well as the synthetic side. So here goes. Hope you enjoyed watching that as much as we like making this. So a quick note on the benchmarks. We did Blender BMW result, just 50 seconds. The CINEBENCH R20, the score that we got was 17511, which is insanely high when you compare it to the next one on your picture is a 48 core Xeon. Corona Bench took 31 seconds, 16.3 million rays per second. LUXMARK was 16193, the LUXBALL in C++ mode. Moving on to TIMESPY 9298 and Portrayal 9472. If you like this video, do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in your comments what would you like to see next. So cheers, have a nice day.